Summertime can really be tough on your home and your property. There's weather, air conditioner malfunctions, fire danger from fire pits, or maybe even your backyard barbecue. When your property gets damaged, you might want to consider a public adjuster. Public adjusters work with property owners to make sure that they get what they deserve from their insurance companies and their insurance policies. In fact, a payment with a public adjuster's help is oftentimes substantially more than without that help. Here to tell us more is Mike Kewer, Vice President and Claims Adjuster of Claim Guide Public Adjuster. Mike, you look at some of these big problems that happen where people all of a sudden are really surprised by damage that has happened to their home, perhaps by a weather event. And yet, let's talk about the hail that happened up in the Reading area.
We had a major hail event up in the Reading area. We had homes completely destroyed. We had cars that were completely destroyed. What we have is a lot of homeowners that are scared, overwhelmed, really don't know where to go. And then what they may realize is that, hey, look, we don't have enough money for repairs. What do? We tried to call our insurance company. They didn't give us enough money. Our contractor's saying we're going to need another $5,000, $10,000. What do we do? And those are the customers that we receive during these hail events and say, can you help us out through this process? Can you come out and assist us and see if we can get additional funds? And that's where we come in as an advocate for the homeowner to say, it's okay, we'll work you through this process, we'll see if you're owed additional money through your policy.
Okay, so let's talk about fires, because a similar thing can apply. And when there is fire damage, perhaps they have an insurance policy that maybe covers something, but how do you dig deeper into that policy to make sure that they get what they deserve?
That's a great question. So when someone has a fire, and a significant one, they've lost everything. Okay, they've lost their home, all of their personal items. They have nowhere to go, and a lot of our clients and homeowners are completely overwhelmed throughout this process, and they need somebody to lean on, someone to take some of that burden off of all their responsibility in that process. What we can do is we can assist them with finding a place to stay during this process, helping them put together an inventory for their loss, lining up contractors for the repair process, getting them the money that they need to rebuild their home, to get it to the way it was before that thing ever happened.
Well, and the thing that happened was a lightning strike in Doylestown. And so, what do you do about something like that when a chimney collapses? We have some video to show everybody about that.
Absolutely. So we have certain things that in the insurance field called acts of God. So things could happen out of nowhere, just like a lightning strike. And we've had claims like those before where you can't necessarily always see the damage that the lightning strike
has caused.
Right off the bat. There's a lot of unforeseen damages, such as electrical equipment.
Sure.
That electrical current from that lightning strike will travel through the house and melt appliances throughout the whole property. So a lot of that is doing a lot of detective work with specialists to determine what's the real impact of damage. How many appliances and all the equipment, has it been jeopardized? Is my electrical system not safe anymore? That's how we can assist people in lightning strike claims.
And so you become an advocate for
Absolutely.
the homeowner.
Yeah, we're on their side. We help them through the process. That's our goal, is to provide a benefit to them, allow them to get the money they need through the process and take that burden of handling that claim on their own.
Mike Kewer, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So for more on the Claim Guide Public Adjuster, you can go to cbsphilly.com and click on to Talk Philly.